Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I'm going to prepare Nkwobi. This recipe is from eastern part of Nigeria. So if you want to prepare Nkwobi, you need cow foot, or sometimes the goat foot also too. So in here I have some cow foot and some few of goat foot. So guys, I just put it here because it's so strong. I roast it very well because there are some hair in the skin. I just roast it very well, then I cut it into a little parts. Then I'm cooking it with salt and water because it's so strong, so I have to do this process first. So now I want to say a thank you to those that have been subscribing to my channel, guys. God will bless you all, and if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. And so now guys, as we are waiting for this cow food to cook, let me introduce the other ingredients to you guys. So these are the other ingredients that I'm going to use. Of course, I have my potash, red onion, Ugba, that is Oilbean. I have my crayfish, I have my Scotch bonnet, Atarodo, I have my shrimps, then I have my Utazi and palm oil, Maggi cube, and I'll add a little salt because potash has a lot of salt. So for now, I don't know, maybe at the end I may add a little salt. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. So now let's get started. So now let me check the cow food if it's soft already. So I think now is okay for me. Now it's soft. I like the softness now. So I've cleaned all the cow food, take off some of the bones, then I just cut some of them into a little parts so that it can be ready to cook. So now add my onion, add my Maggi, then I'll add some little salt, and I'll just start to cook it with other ingredients. Then I'll add just a little water because as you can see, I've already cooked the cow food. It's already soft, so I just want to cook it a little bit with the ingredients. And I'll add my pepper, my Scotch bonnet. I'll stir together very well. I'll add my crayfish. I'll add my prawns. Give it a little stir. Then I add my spice, as the Calabash Nutmeg and the Uziza seed. I blend together. Then I just stir together very well. Now leave it to cook. Then while I'm waiting for the cow food to cook, I'll just mix my oil in the potash to get that sauce. Wow, the color is so beautiful. So I'll just set aside. Now I add my Ugba. just have to stir together. So now I need to add the sauce, the potash and the oil that I mixed together before. Then you stir it together very well. Just mix it very well. Then I'll just leave it on the cooker for about 3 minutes. So guys, Nkwobi is not so difficult to prepare. And I'll add some onions on it because I like eating onion. I love onion so much. I so much love it. So I'll just leave it for about 2-3 minutes to cook. And I'll add my Utazi, the leaf. This leaf, I got it from Nigeria. A sister or a friend brought it for me from Nigeria. So I just store it in my freezer. So guys, as you can see, this is the end of this video. It's so easy to prepare, so nice, yummy, tasty. So I want to say thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Ciao.